Hello everybody, this is Mr. Tacey. Today we are going to be reviewing our rhythms. So first thing I'm going to do is bring your attention to the fours at the very beginning of the line. I want to talk about the top four. The top four means that there are 4 beats in every measure. And when I say measure, here's what I mean. 1, 2, that's the second measure. 3, that's the third measure. And then this is the fourth measure. The bar lines separate each measure. So a quarter note walks into a bar. That's the joke. Okay, so our next thing that we're going to be talking about is quarter notes. So here's quarter notes right here. These are all quarter notes. And how many beats do each of these get? If you said 1 beat, you are correct. Here we go. And then you've also got these quarter notes right here. Also only get 1 beat. So looking at this third measure right here, I want you to tell me, how many beats are in that measure? Of course, if you said 4, you would be right. But how many beats does each quarter rest get, do you think? If each quarter note gets 1 beat, then yes, the quarter rests get 1 beat as well, because you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 beats. There you go. Then half notes, they get 2 beats. They're up here. That's right, 2 beats. And then the half rests, they also get 2 beats. And then look at this. We've got 1 note that I don't think I've talked about in class yet. That's the whole note. And that gets, how many do you think? If there's only 1 note in that measure, and there's 4 beats in every measure, if you said 4 beats, you would be correct. 4 beats. There we go. And let's clap this whole measure now. I'm going to clear this up. We're going to clear it. And we're going to clap it. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we're going to be talking about pitch. I'm going to title this pitch right there. And we're going to be starting with this one right there. So first thing I'm going to do is talk to you about line notes and space notes. What do you think? Are all these notes on lines or spaces? If you said spaces, you would be correct. These are all space notes. Now what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to focus your attention on the second measure. Look at the second measure. Okay, I am drawing a line note underneath the space note. I am going to call this line note do. Okay, so if that's do, what's the space note above do? If you walk up 1 step to the next space, it would be re. That's right, re. Ha ha ha, my title's so funny. And now we're going to clear all this, and instead of just clapping the rhythm, we're going to be singing the pitch with the rhythm, starting with none other than the first re. Here's your re. Re! Here we go. 1, 2, ready, sing. Re, 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 re. Rest, rest, re, rest, re, rest, re. 2, 3, 4. Okay. There we go. Okay, so here we have, you've seen that before, mezzo piano, right? And what does that mean? Medium soft, you are absolutely right. And mezzo forte, what do you think that means? Medium loud, that is absolutely right. And of course you see the crescendo here. It starts there and ends right here. The crescendo just means that you're getting louder. So we're not going to start at the very beginning. We're going to start right, and I'm going to clear these. We're going to erase all the ink, and then we're going to just go ahead and we're going to take these 2 measures right here. Again, you see 2 measures right there. You've got 4 beats in every measure. We're going to start right here at the end. Why are we starting at the end? Well, because I want to make sure you understand that this note right here is do. We start right there at do. How many other do's can you find in this song? Well, let me help you out. There's one right next to you, and there's one over here, And there's one right here. And there's one right here. So, if I've missed any, then I'm a terrible teacher. But I didn't, so I'm a good teacher. You've got do right here. Then if you know that's do right there at the end, then what's that one? It's right above do. If you said ray, hooray! No pun intended. And then you've got another ray right there. Now what's this one if it's above ray? If you said me, who me? Boy, it's late. How many me's do you have right here in this measure? If you said 3, you are correct. So let's go ahead and start right on the first me. I'm looking at this one right there. And I'm going to clear it so we don't have any of that. Again, we're going to start right there. Okay, here we go. Here's your note. Me. It is that high. Yes, it is. So let's go ahead and start. Me, re, re, do, do. Let's do it one more time. And this time I'm going to put a little dot as I sing each one. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Me, re, re, do, do. All right, that concludes this first lesson. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. I will see you next week. Goodbye, choir.